Welcome back to Mind Your Money. My name is Tasha.
What?
We are going to be sharing with you how my oldest son is breaking down his spending money. He's going to be sharing with you what he spent his money on, or how much he spent, and where he's putting the rest of his leftover money from week 1 of April. Please give us a thumbs up on this video if you like it. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, share the video to anyone you think might benefit from it, and we appreciate your feedback. Thank you so much.
Okay, this is our spending allowance week 1 of April, and our starting balance was $20.
Mommy. Yeah?
And we spent $5.11.
This is your receipt, right? You spent $5.11. Okay. So how much money do you have left?
The money we have left is $14.89.
Don't take out Joseph and Josiah's money. Just take out yours, right?
The milk is hot.
It was hot.
First, we have our $14 and 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 25, 25, 50, 5, 76, 77, 78, 79,
Plus 10 is 89.
9. Sorry. Sorry, I did that a little slow.
All right.
It's
So what are you going to do with the money now?
going to take 2 and tithe it. And I'm going to take another 2 and save it.
Okay.
And use this 10 to spend.
Okay. So this $2 is your tithe.
This 2 here, my tithe. This 2 will go to savings,
Okay.
and this will be spent.
And what are you going to do with this? You want to keep it or throw it in the change jar or what?
These will go in the change jar.
Okay.
Did I do it
Okay.
right?
Yeah. So you want to write down how much is going to where. So you want to put tithe $2, save $2, and
Why?
keep $10, whatever.
$2, savings, $2, spending, and 89 cents in the. Please like and subscribe.
Okay. So this is where we normally keep our change, in this old Quaker Oats jar. You're changing it. You want to throw the change inside there, Jordan? I'll give it to you. I'm going to put it inside. It's where we keep change. Okay. So you need to put your $2 aside into your envelopes, right? You just keep that. And then I'll put that in the bank for you. And then you're going to put your $2 in there, right?
Yay!
Put it to the side. Good. And then you're saving. And then we'll put that in the bank for you as well, into your savings account.
Wow.
Put this aside. Right. So that's your $10 to spend however you want, right?
Yes.
Okay, so you want to put it back in the envelope. Good job. Good job. And we have to scan the receipt now for Fetch Rewards so we can get some points, right? So let's put that back in the envelope so Mommy can scan it. Good? Good job.
I don't know. Please like and subscribe.